Hey there everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Palworld, a process has crashed UE PAL error. So this will be an easy fix, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I recommend is going on your Steam, click on library, on your game, right click on it, properties, and on general, go to launch option right over here and type in -dx11 or dx12. Either way, go ahead and do both and see if one of them works and relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, go to your game again, right click on it, click on properties, and this time on install files and verify integrity of game files. What this will do is it will fix any corrupted files that might be affecting the error, and it will automatically fix for you. So Steam has that tool, so wait for it to finish. Once done, exit this out and relaunch your game. So if that does not work, what we can do is go to your library again once more, right click, go to manage this time, click on browse local files. Once the folder opens up, right click on the executable file and run as administrator. This way, sometimes it will bypass or fix any primary glitches. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful or it helped you fix the problem, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.